Dude, that move's bad starting now.
You wish. You're done. Can't fight without your arms. So how about it, Denji? Why not use your last few breaths to apologize for killing Granddad?
Who says I can't still fight? The chainsaw on my head is all I need to end this!
Moron!
Yeah!
Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit? Grovel for his mercy, and I'll put you out of your misery.
You put the dead in predictable. And went for my legs like a dead idiot! Didn't that rotten old geezer ever teach ya? You should know better than to trust what a hunter said! Should have gone for the legs, sucker!